What's up, guys? It's me, Leah. Right now I am with Mal, and she's going to be the person that's going to take care of it. Hi, Alexis. There's Alexis.
Mal's going to do the ASMR. Ready?
No, Alexis.
Aww, but I want to do it.
Fine. Okay, let me shut the door. Okay.
Hi, I look like a mess because I'm trying to
Okay,
sleep.
shut up. So,
Ready? And then Alexis is going to do ASMR. Just kidding.
okay.
I don't want to touch it.
Okay, so she's gonna step in the slime and bend down, but her face is not gonna go in it. Let her sit there for a little bit. I'll be right back. 25 hours later. So it's time. I can definitely tell because there's juices covered in it, which is so funny. I'm about to stop this video because I have no clue why I even started a video. Crying in my bum dress, I'll be the bum. You don't know. Oh, ouch. If you have TikTok, go follow me. It's Aaliyah Fab, right?
I don't know.
I don't even know. I'm using my phone. Oh my god, that hurts. I'm using my phone so I can't check. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess that's it because my nails feel like they're bleeding. Well, my thumb feels like it's bleeding because it hurts like crap. And I'll probably play with this tomorrow. So, if you guys...
Get up! Aaliyah, seriously.
I hope you... Hope you guys love this video. Get a shout out in next week's video. Bye!